Do you know how to get a healthy smile? What actually starts with something not everyone thinks about. I'm talking about your enamel. Celebrity dentist Dr. Daniel Nisan. He's one of the country's leading cosmetic dentists, and he's going to give us the inside scoop.
Hello, my name is Dr. Daniel Nason, celebrity dentist, and I'm here to talk to you about how to keep and maintain that healthy smile. It really starts with taking care of your enamel. A recent survey conducted with OnePoll in partnership with ProEnamel found that 35% of people don't know the true function of enamel, which is the white, strong outer layer of our teeth. Over time, acids in our diet, such as citrus, seltzer, green juices, vinegar, and wine, can weaken our enamel through a process called demineralization. As enamel wears it away, it exposes the yellow dentin underneath, discoloring and dulling our healthy smiles. Unfortunately, once enamel is gone, it does not grow back, making it that much more imperative to help repair and protect the enamel that you do have. Many people, they're at risk for acid-weakened enamel due to their daily consumption of these food and drinks. So my recommendation is, instead of trying to cut these acidic foods from your diet to help minimize enamel damage, I recommend my patients use ProEnamel's latest innovation, ProEnamel Intensive Enamel Repair, twice a day. It works by helping lock in fluoride and calcium, which are vital minerals that are essential to rehardening our enamel deep into the surface of your teeth to help repair micro damage and promote remineralization. It also protects from future acid erosion by inhibiting the demineralization of our enamels, ultimately leaving our teeth stronger and much more protected with twice-a-day brushing. It's really one of the most simplest things you can do to take care of your enamel and get that healthy smile. It's really easy to find as well. It's available online and at major retailers nationwide. Other tips that I do recommend are that if you do eat acidic foods, wait at least 30 minutes before brushing because it can soften the enamel. Next, use a straw to drink any acidic drinks and do not forget to visit the dentist regularly. For more information, head to proenamel.com.
This interview involves commercial content. The products and services featured appear as paid advertising.